Fresh manna farms where greatness grows every day. From birds to mushrooms, every product shows. Fresh manna farms, the quality flows. Healthy, strong feeding the nation. Fresh manna farms, your #1 foundation. Broilers shining white and clean. Healthy birds, the best you've seen. Day-old chicks to markets wide. At Fresh manna farms, your trusted guide. Hear the gobble, strong and bold. Fresh manna turkeys, purely gold. Big and fine, well bred with care. Of fresh manna leads everywhere. Mushrooms rising pure and white. Nature's treasure, clean and light. Fresh manna farms, the home of health, organic goodness, nature felt. Broiler strong, standing proud. Eggs and meat, they wow the crowd. Fresh manna farms, trusted seed. Strength for every home and need. Training farmers for tomorrow on farm. Off-farm knowledge follows. Guidance steady, wisdom true. Fresh manna farms here for you. Fresh manna farms, feeding the nation. Broilers, turkeys, mushrooms, pure innovation. Training supports consistency strong. Fresh manna farms leading you on. Fresh manna farms, we are the future today.
This is Fresh Manna Farms, where we produce fresh mushroom, broiler and noiler birds, turkeys and others.
Mushrooms, pure innovation. Training supports consistency strong. Fresh manna farms leading you on. Fresh manna farms, we are the future today.